In this lesson, we'll learn how to draw a bar and a pie graph. The data listed in the Listen spreadsheet application is the categorical data of the type of lunch a group of people ate today. When entering data in a column, the column requires a name. Use the up arrow key. Name the column lunch. Insert a data and statistics application. The application is waiting for you to select what variable you want to graph. On the calculator, move the cursor to the bottom of the screen and press enter. A shortcut is to press tab and then select the variable to graph. Select lunch. The default graph is a dot plot. To change the plot type, press Menu, select Plot Type. As this is categorical data, you can select bar graph or pie graph. Let's select pie chart. Moving the cursor over the graph, you will see information for the data. Let's change to a bar chart. Press Menu, select Plot Type, select Bar Chart. Like the pie graph, if you move your cursor over the bars, you'll see the information for the data. Control right arrow. The lunch data has been placed in the frequency table. Let's name the column. If you type in lunch, we cannot call the first column lunch as lunch has already been defined. If you did type in lunch as I've just done, you can use another letter. What we could do is rename the data. Let's rename the data. Call it meal and press enter. Name column 2 frequency. A shortcut is to use FREQ. We're going to plot this data. Press Menu, select Data, select Summary Plot, use the right arrow to select the meal as the X list, tab to Summary List, right arrow. We're going to select frequency. Tab to display on, right arrow. We could split the page in two or a new page. Let's select new page. And press enter. To change the plot type, press Menu, select Plot Type, and change to a pie chart. Be sure to check out more of the videos in this series. Thank you for watching.